so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pattern in Illustrator. So basically I asked Claude to generate me some patterns, and I want to show you how to import it in Illustrator now. So this is the pattern, yeah. As you can see, this is an HTML file. So it's not directly editable, yeah. So what you want to do is to make it from scratch, yeah, to replicate this. So I'll group this again. I will choose to lower the opacity to about 43%. What I want to do now is to lock this, yeah, I want to lock it. So it's not lock selection, and now this is a really simple pattern to replicate. Okay, so now that I did this circle, I want to swap fill and stroke, and now I want to make this shape in the middle. I will select arc tool and I will try to, let me undo this. Basically it's kind of this, and I will flip it horizontally and vertically. I will try to line it here, select it and align it, and maybe it's a little bit too long. Okay, so this is basically my shape, my arc. I will want to copy it right here. I can also reflect it with the reflect tool, but it's faster like this for me, so I'll just do it in this way. And what I want now is to move this right here. I want to fill it with this color. Okay, I want a stroke of 1, and I want to select this shape like a star, and you can see that is not perfectly aligned, so I will align it with the align tool so it is perfectly aligned. Okay, maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, something like this, and I want to group it and put it in the center of this circle. And now that I have this circle, I want to group it. I want to go right here. Yeah, just let me put it in the middle of the artboard, and I want to select it, go to object, then go to pattern, and then choose make. Yeah, and now it asks me some new pattern has been added to the swatches panel. Okay, and now I have some options right here. I can put the name star pattern. I can put you right here whatever you want, and I want to be about 65 with 65 pixels. Okay, something like this, yeah. And I want to click here on top on done. And now if I want to use that pattern that I just recently created, I choose my rectangle tool, I create a rectangle, and you can see that here in my swatch tiles I have star pattern. Yeah? I just apply star pattern, and if I want my artboard to be the same color with the color inside the circle, I just go to artboard, edit artboards, and here I have instead of fill transparent, I will choose to use this color, yeah, and press OK. And you see that now I have the same pattern, and I will choose to, let's get rid of this edge golden stroke. Let's put 0. And now this is my pattern. What is cool about this pattern is that now if I want to fill another portion with it, I just select my rectangle, and look, I have the pattern in any size that I want. So this is how you make a pattern in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to see more graphic assets like this, you can visit my PayHip store. I will leave a link in the description of this video to my store.